చెట్టిపాలుని ఆటకనుకొని కొట్టి చేతుల పట్టి తాగిన గట్టితనమేది కాదయ్యా.
తత్తణ తచ్చోడు తత్తిమి తదీం తక్కిటదీం దీం తక్కిటదీం తదీం తక్కదిక్కు కొట్టక తెగడదోం తదీం తక్కదిక్కు కొట్టక తెగడదోం తదీం తక్కదిక్కు కొట్టక తెగడదోం.
ధనుజని దోషిని ధుతి సుత దోషిని దుర్మద శోషిని సింధు సుతే జయ జయ హే మహిషాసురమర్దిని రమ్యకపత్రిని శైలసుతే జయ జయ హే మహిషాసురమర్దిని రమ్యకపత్రిని శైలసుతే. సకల భువన సార్వభౌమే శశిమండల జగశామే సకల భువన
Meghana, right from Pushpanjali till Varnam, and I'm sure she's going to continue the same thing in the second half as well. She has got tremendous stamina and very effortlessly, though, I'm sure especially the Varnam, I know the Chittaisaram part is really hard, the Trikala Jati and each and every portion, Nritta, Natya, everything she showed so beautifully.
So when you do a Sanchari and you involve that stories, that is how we learn. So the dance or any art form is actually the beholder of our culture and civilization. They carry forward to that. So that is why we say a Guru Parampara. So today we have here wonderful gurus who were Shishyas earlier, and today's Shishyas will be gurus in the future.
So everyone will choose art, but art will choose only few people. ಈ ಪಾತ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಘನ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಮೇಘನ ಸರಿಯಾದ ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಗುರುಗಳನ್ನು ಆರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಕೌಸಲ್ಯ ಮೇಡಮ್, ನಾನೊಂದು ಪುಟ್ಟ ಗಿಡವನ್ನು ನೆಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ, ನೀವು ಹೆಮ್ಮರವಾಗಿ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನನಗೆ ಭಾರಿ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತದೆ.
ಉಳ್ಳೇನೋ ಕಡಲ್ ವೈತರ ಸನಿವಲ್ಲೇನೋ ನೇಸಮಾಯ್ ಉಳ್ಳೇನೋ ಕಡಲ್ ವೈತರ ಸನಿವಲ್ಲೇನೋ ತಂದನಾನಾಗಿ ತಂದನಾನ ಕೊರೆ ತಂದನಾನ ಭಳೆ ತಂದನಾನ ಭಳ
This is a certificate of achievement to Kumari PVSS Meghna, being awarded with the title MS Kala Bharati. Rather reading out the title there, I just want to certify and I want to tell from my bottom of my heart that I'm really impressed by the performance of Meghna today. and really proud of her being a student of MS Natya Kshetra. You made us proud, Meghna. Thank you.